Hello everyone. Welcome to this online class. I am teacher Dipali, your geography subject teacher. Today I am starting with the first chapter, that is India, size and location. Now in this session we are going to discuss, as the name suggests, size and location of India. As we all know, India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has made a remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and its contribution is immense. So students, ninth geography is all about geography of India. After a brief introduction of India, let us understand the location of India in the world map. The globe can be divided into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, and India lies in the northern hemisphere because this region is above the equator. So India lies in the northern hemisphere. The globe also can be divided into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. This line is the prime meridian, which divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. So India lies in the eastern hemisphere. The globe has horizontal lines known as latitudes and vertical lines known as longitude. Now, these are imaginary lines used to locate any place on the map. So we can say that all countries lie between two latitudes. Now, if you take South America, you see this is one latitude, this is another latitude. So South America is between two latitudes and two longitudes. Now coming to India's location in the world map, the mainland extends 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north. This means that the southern tip of India lies on 8 degrees 4 minutes north, away from the equator. Here you must understand that each degree is divided into 60 minutes. So we say that India lies between 8 degree and 4 minutes. Similarly, the northern tip of India lies on 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Now when it comes to longitudinal extent, it is 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. The Tropic of Cancer, which is at 23 degrees 30 minutes north, this is the latitude, Tropic of Cancer. Okay, it divides the country into two equal parts. Now, to the southeast of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, and to the southwest of India lies the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. So this is all about the location of India. In the next class, we will discuss about the size and India and the world.